Wow, that was one smooth ride. The elevator's been down for quite some time now here at Judge Memorial Catholic High School. Here's Mr. Lambert and what he has to say about the elevator.
So the elevator here at Judge Memorial was built in 1917. It was originally put in the Hotel Utah. When the Hotel Utah closed in the late 70s, they donated the elevator to our school. So it's actually older than the school itself. When it comes to replacing parts on our elevator, it takes we have to specially manufacture certain pieces to make sure that it's up and running well. In this particular case, we rebuilt the motor 2 years ago. Some of you may recall we brought in a crane, removed the motor, completely reworked it. Well, it turns out that the motor seized up again, so within that 2-year mark. And so what we did is we removed the motor again, rebuilt it, and then through a series of circuits and other pieces of equipment, we're able to get it up and going again. So the way we accommodated our students that needed to use the elevator during that time is we initiated a Spark Classroom, which enabled teachers to teach remotely. So we created a room in the school where on the first floor, or second floor here, where a student could go and they could almost like Skyping into the classroom. So we felt like that was a way to keep students involved. We also shuffled classes so that our classes would, if a student needed to use the elevator instead, we would move that entire class down to our computer room, or we used a variety of rooms on the main floor so that they could still be getting the classroom experience. So quite a bit of shuffling over the last few weeks. Well, it's up and running. We're excited about that. We've learned a lot. I've learned a lot about the different elevator contractors, and we once again brought in the crane to remove it, the crane to bring it back. So learned quite a bit about just how to replace an elevator here in Utah.